Shiv Shakti Machhtej, based in Ahmedabad, India, specializes in manufacturing state-of-the-art automatic milk bottle filling machines, including the versatile linear vacuum filling machine. These machines are designed to cater to a wide range of liquid filling needs, including milk, perfume, liquor, wine, whiskey, fennel, and floor cleaner, among others. The linear vacuum filling machine offers precise and efficient filling capabilities, ensuring accuracy and consistency in each bottle. With its advanced features and robust construction, this machine is an ideal solution for businesses looking to streamline their production processes while maintaining high standards of quality and hygiene. Shiv Shakti Machhtej's expertise in liquid filling technology makes them a trusted choice for companies seeking reliable and innovative filling solutions.